Welcome class 7 students. Today in this video I am going to start the last exercise, that is exercise 11 from your first unit test syllabus. Exercise 11 of the polynomials chapter. In this polynomials chapter, exercise 11 is the last exercise which comprises of division of variables. Yes, today we will start with division of variables. So, in case of division of variables, I will first show you few easy sums so that you can understand the sums very well. In case of multiplication, you remember that you have to add up the powers of the variable. But in case of division, what you have to do is you have to subtract. You have to subtract the variables, the numerator and the denominator. The denominator you have to deduct from the numerator. So please see what I am trying to say. Suppose I am starting today exercise 11 and I am starting with sum number 1 of exercise 11. This is the last exercise of the polynomials chapter. So it is given that divide 25xyz 25xyz with by 5xyz 5yz. So what you will do is 25xyz you have to divide by 5yz. This you have to do. So how first you will reduce this into lowest term. So 5s are 25 and x is there, yz is there in the numerator, yz is there in the denominator. The common thing, which is the common variable of the numerator and the denominator, you will cancel, reduce. You will cancel yz in the numerator and yz in the denominator will cancel out. So remaining leftover will be x, 5x. So answer will be 5x in case of the first sum. In the second sum, let's see what happens in the second sum. In the second sum, it is given minus 64 x square yz, minus 64 x square yz divided by minus 4 xz. Here what will happen? The same thing, minus and minus will cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. So 16 will come by reducing to lowest term, and here z and z will cancel, and x square is there in the numerator and x is there in the denominator. What you will do is you will subtract x from x square. That is, x means x to the power 1. X to the power 1 you will subtract from x square. In case of division, the numerator and the denominator is subtracted. In case of multiplication, it is added. In case of division, it is subtracted. So what you will do is 16 x square, x square minus 1. You are subtracting the denominator x to the power 1 from the numerator. And y will remain as it is because there is nothing to cancel with y. There is no y in the denominator. That's why y will remain, and x power will be subtracted because x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 1. In this case, power is subtracted. So, it will be 16xy. 16xy will be the answer. It is very simple. If you once understand how to divide by subtracting the numerator and the denominator, it becomes very simple for you. Now I will solve number 3. Number 3, it is given 65 PQR. Number 3, it is given that 65 PQR divided by minus 13P, divided by minus 13P. So 13 5s are 65. 13 5s are 65, and P will cancel. P and P will cancel. So minus is remaining, so we will write minus as a remainder. 5 is coming, so minus 5 you will write. P and P is getting cancelled, so QR you will write. Minus 5QR will be the answer of sum number 3. And now we will solve an important sum, that is sum number 4. Why it is important I am telling, because it contains a lot of variables which may confuse you at the initial stage. But through the practice, once you get acquainted with how to do it, it will no longer be difficult for you. So I am rubbing the board and showing you sum number 4, which is a little bit, you may find it difficult because more than one variables are there to confuse you. So sum number 4. Sum number 4, it is given that minus 20 a cube b6 b to the power 6 c to the power 7 minus 20 a cube b to the power 6 c to the power 7, and it is divided by 4 a square b to the power 4 c square divided by 4, not minus 4, only 4 a square b to the power 4 c square. So this is coming, this is given, and now we will divide this. How we will divide this? 4 5s are 20, so 5 will come. Definitely minus 5 will come first, and then a cube and a square. So a cube and a square will be subtracted. So you will write a cube minus square. This 2 is coming because of the denominator. A you will not write, but the power you will subtract from the power of the numerator. Same variable, power will be subtracted in case of division. B also, you will write B because B is the next variable. Then what you will write? 6 minus 4. 6 is the power of the numerator B, and then minus 4 because 4 is the power of the denominator B. Again you will write C because C is the next variable. Here also you will write 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Why? Because c to the power 7 is the numerator and c to the power 2, that is c square, is the denominator. So 7 minus 2. Why minus? Because in case of division you have to subtract the variables. So what you are getting is minus 5a to the power 1. Power 1 you don't have to write. B square because 6 minus 4 is square, and c to the power 5 because 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is the answer of sum number 4. I hope you have understood what I have explained through this video, just to give you an initial idea about how division takes place. In my next class, I will provide you many more divisions from exercise 11 to make it easier for you. Till then, goodbye.